Sometimes, one small choice changes everything. In a small, cozy home, two musical friends lived side by side. A bright flute, full of joy, and a gentle sitar, full of warmth. They played music together every day, making happy songs that filled the room. The flute loved to play loud and fast, dancing with the wind. The sitar liked soft and slow, singing sweet and calm. One day, the flute said, "I want to play alone, my own song." The sitar was quiet and sad but didn't stop the flute. The flute started playing by itself, loud and free. But soon, the music felt empty and lonely without the sitar's gentle voice. The sitar waited in silence, feeling forgotten and hurt. The flute missed the warmth and sadness filled its heart. It realized the choice it made had caused pain, and that was regret. One evening, the flute stopped and whispered, "I thought freedom was playing alone. But real music comes from playing together." The sitar gently began to play again. The flute joined in, and together, their song was full and warm. Sometimes, one small choice can change everything. Regret may follow, but hope gives us the chance to heal and start again.